Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel Cravings Video Feelings. So guys, today we'll see very fresh and special recipe with bacon and egg. Easy and quick steps to follow. Let's see the recipe. First here we'll do chopping. In this recipe we don't have to do so much chopping. No onion, no tomato and nothing. Only thing we have to chop is spring onion. This also we need only to garnish our dish. If you don't have spring onion, you can replace it with the coriander. So here I have chopped my spring onion. Let's transfer it in a bowl and we'll keep aside and move further. So the main ingredient of this recipe is chicken bacon. Here I have taken chicken bacon, ready-made packet. So this is not sponsored by Venky's. Nearby me it is only available in Venky's. That's why I have taken this Venky's bacon. So bacon is basically thin sliced. So here are the slices. I'll take one by one and cut it into half because it is very big for my dish. So I will cut as per my requirement. So it is done now. All the pieces I have cut it into half. Now in a pan we'll add some olive oil. Let it heat little bit. Grease your pan from all sides with the oil. And now I'll add my bacons in this and I have to fry it. Oops, the two pieces came, so I'll just remove one. One by one I have to keep so that bacon will grill from all the sides nicely. So once it is done from one side, we'll flip it. As you can see, the golden color is appearing from the sides. Now we'll flip it to the another side. Oh, it's not done yet. It is only the borders get golden. So let it see again. So it is done now. It is started showing its brown color. We don't have to cook too much, otherwise it will become stiff and crispy. We don't need crispy, we need soft bacons. So here I have flipped all the bacons. Now time to time I am again flipping and checking all the sides to cook properly. So once it is done, remove the excess oil and take it in a plate. Same way we'll roast other batch of bacon. Once all the bacons will done, we'll go for the rolling part. Now I have waited the bacon to get cool and I can easily hold in my hand. Still it is warm, not cold, and in this way we have to roll the bacon one by one and keep aside. Let me show you one more. This small piece I have taken, just roll that and keep aside. The bacon which get more cooked and more crispy is opening up soon. So the same way we'll roll all the bacons and keep in one tray. So in the same pan with the remaining oil, we'll add one egg. First we'll add egg, and then in very low medium we have to keep the flame, and then we'll add the rolled bacon on it so that the egg will hold its shape. We have to add some more eggs so that the liquid of the egg will hold the bacon nicely and our bacon will stand properly. This will give you a beautiful appearance like a flower. Just you have to put the rolled bacons in between and put the egg yolk with yolks, or here I have added almost 6 eggs, and all the bacons I will add in this. Now I will add salt to taste, sprinkle it through all over the eggs and bacons because we don't have to mix it. Now same way I will sprinkle ginger powder all over it, and then some mixed herbs I am sprinkling. And for spices, some black pepper powder. And now we'll add some milk. Eggs should not stick from between, that's why I have added milk. And now along with it I'll add some shredded cheese. And we don't have to mix it, only we'll cover it and let it cook till the milk dries up. So foodies, in this recipe we don't have to chop, we don't have to mix. This is very simple, easy and a unique recipe, and believe me, it is very delicious as well. So we'll open the lid in between and add our spring onion as a garnish and topping, and it will give you the beautiful flavor. And again we'll lid it and let it cook. Now let's open the lid and check it again whether it is done or not. So with the help of spatula, remove all the sides and just check if it is sticking or not. So little more we have to wait till the milk dries up. So this is it. Now we have to switch off the flame and cover it and keep aside. At least for 5 to 7 minutes I have given it rest, and now it is done. We can just cut it and take the slice. Just like pizza, we will cut and enjoy the taste. You can also call this egg bacon pizza. So foodies, as you can see, this is very easy and simple recipe. Just a few techniques need to take care, and here it goes. Enjoy! Hope you enjoyed my video. Do like and subscribe my channel and keep eating. Be healthy, be safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.